In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a backup folder in Google Photos on computer. If you want Google Photos to automatically back up pictures from a specific folder on your computer, this process is very simple once you know where to look. This is especially helpful if you keep photos in separate folders instead of storing everything in one place. To begin, open Google Photos on your computer. Make sure you're in the desktop app or the version connected to your computer's backup settings so you can manage which folders are included in your photo backup. Once Google Photos is open, take a moment to confirm that you're signed into the correct Google account, since your backups will be saved there. Next, look for the plus icon. This is the option used to add something new. Click on it and then choose Backup Folders. This will open the folder selection area where Google Photos lets you decide which locations on your computer should be included in backup. If you don't see the option right away, just give the screen a second and make sure you're clicking the correct Add button. After that, your computer's file browser will appear. From here, select the folder you want to back up to Google Photos. This could be a folder where you save images from a camera, screenshots, downloaded photos, or any other collection of pictures you want protected in the cloud. Try to choose the exact folder you want, so only the photos you intend to back up are included. Once you select the folder, Google Photos will add it to your backup list. Depending on your settings and internet speed, the upload may start automatically. If the folder contains a lot of images or videos, the first backup might take some time, so it's a good idea to keep your computer on and connected to the internet until it finishes. You also have the option to create a new folder instead. If you want a fresh location just for future photo backups, use the Create New Folder option in your computer's file browser, then select that new folder so Google Photos can monitor and back it up moving forward. This can be a great way to stay organized, especially if you want to separate personal photos, work images, or project files, and that's it. Once the folder is added, Google Photos will be able to back up the images stored there, helping you keep your memories safer and easier to access across devices.